Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful yet often overlooked remedies, castor oil. This versatile natural oil has been a wellness staple for centuries, offering a wide range of health and beauty benefits. Whether you're looking to naturally boost hair growth, enhance skin health, relieve joint pain, or even support digestive health, castor oil could be the solution you've been searching for. Stick around to learn more about how this ancient remedy can improve your well-being. One of the standout benefits of castor oil is its impressive ability to promote healthy hair growth. Thanks to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, castor oil deeply nourishes the scalp, helping to reduce dandruff, combat hair thinning, and encourage thicker, stronger strands. Whether you're experiencing hair loss or simply want to boost the overall health of your locks, a simple castor oil hair mask can deliver noticeable results in no time. But its benefits don't stop at your hair. Castor oil is also an exceptional moisturizer for your skin. Its hydrating properties work wonders on dry, flaky skin, while its ability to reduce fine lines and wrinkles makes it a great anti-aging remedy. Plus, its natural antibacterial properties can help combat acne, leaving your skin clear and radiant. Beyond beauty, castor oil serves as a natural remedy for joint pain and inflammation. Applying castor oil packs to swollen joints or arthritic areas can significantly reduce inflammation, providing much-needed relief for chronic pain sufferers. And when it comes to digestive health, castor oil shines yet again. As a gentle, natural laxative, it helps detoxify the body, encouraging a healthier, more regular digestive system. Finally, if you're on the hunt for fuller, thicker lashes and brows, castor oil is your secret weapon. With regular application, it nourishes your eyelashes and eyebrows, helping you achieve that bold, natural look without the need for expensive products or treatments. From enhancing your beauty routine to providing pain relief and supporting better digestion, castor oil truly stands out as one of nature's most versatile wellness tools. Whether you're looking to nourish your skin, strengthen your hair, or soothe joint pain, this natural remedy offers a wide range of benefits. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the perfect time to experience its wonders for yourself. Have you used castor oil before? We'd love to hear about your results in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips from Health Options 101.